Hi Jaden, congratulations in advance. Tomorrow is the big night. So ano na yung nararamdaman mo right now and paano ka nagpre-prepare for the big event tomorrow?
Yeah, and as of the moment, I'm really nervous at the same time. Siyempre, excited kasi finally, matutuloy na yung the grandest coronation night ng Mr. Grand. And same pa rin ang pag-prepare ko pero mas pinatindi natin. Doble yung diet, doble din yung pag-aaral for the Q&A kasi for sure, hindi lang naman yan sa mukha, hindi lang yan guys sa katawan. Kailangan din handa yung utak natin. So, I'm doing double nung compare nung ginawa kong paghahanda nung tawag dito, nung sashi natin.
Yeah, for those na hindi nakakakilala sa iyo, Jaden, I know sa mga fashion shows, isa ka sa mga parang kilala and even sa social media. If you can give background lang for those na hindi nakakakilala, sino si Jaden?
Okay, I see. So again, my name is Jaden Fernandez, but my real name is Jonas Masumsong Harina. Jaden Fernandez is just my screen name. And I'm known as a brand presenter ni Bench. Ako yung nagsusot-sukot guys ng mga brief. And kung nakita nyo na rin ako guys sa casting natin nung Bench Fashion Week, kasali po tayo doon.
Oo. So aside from modeling, saan ka pa busy?
Aside from modeling, introvert talaga akong tao. To be honest, I'm introvert na tao. Kadalasan kung wala akong ginagawa, nasa bahay lang. Kahit maghapon ako nakahiga, walang ginagawa, okay na sa akin yun.
Okay, so how about Jaden? Of course, dahil sa yung physique, no? How do you maintain that physique?
How do I maintain my physique? Unang-una, diet, that's the most important thing kasi kahit ano pang workout mo, kung palya yung diet, mawala din yan. And syempre, determination, dedication, sarili mo yung kalaban mo if you want to be better every day.
And isa ka ngayon sa strong contender dito sa competition na to. Why do you think na ikaw yung parang isa sa nag-top ngayon in terms kasi chinek ko yung mga voting and everything. Parang even yung mga reviews, isa ka. So why do you think patuloy kang sinusuportahan at minamahal ng
I think the thing na nagustuhan nila sa akin kung bakit nila ako patuloy na sinusuportahan since social media is timely nowadays and yun talaga yung platform for almost everything sa buhay natin ngayon, which I'm as of the moment is kinda known. So I think they are supporting me because they can see that I can be one of the leaders who give change to our youth today and for those na exposed sa social media.
Do you find yourself sexy, Jaden?
To be honest, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko nagwapo, cute, or yung mga nakikita ng iba. I'm just enjoying myself and enjoying kung ano yung meron sa akin.
Which body part you think ang pinaka-sexy mo?
For me, back ko for me.
Okay.
Dahil mas mas kita yung definition and sa lalaki. Pag mas kita yung definition, mas sexy sa amin.
Oh! And kung halimbawa, if you were going to get a girl, parang ganyan, ano usually parang mga technique mo? If you're going to use a body language? Para,
what do you mean?
Yeah, para okay. Mayroon kang nagustuhan or paano mo usually siya kinocall yung attention? Using a body language.
Body language. Kasi usual na yung mga nagtatanong talaga nilalapitan niya. Ako kasi parang, parang nagiging masungit, parang papakita ko masungit ako, hard to get, parang ganun. Kasi pag nakita agad ng babae na interested ka sa kanya, feeling niya sobrang taas na agad yung value na. So para ma-challenge din naman sila on their end, na parang, ay hindi, maganda ako pero hindi ako pinapansin nito Gusto magpapansin nga ako. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Medyo nagiging masungit ako or parang hard to get.
Ano yung pinakamagandang compliment na na-receive mo sa isang tao? Ano yung sinabi mo?
Na-receive ko?
Or sexiest compliment na na-receive?
Sexiest compliment? Wala masyadong unique, pero yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko recently lang is, yung word talaga is, I'm very proud of you kung nasan ka man yan. Kasi guys, yan, as you all know, as I've mentioned on the past interview, I'm not yung klase ng tao na extrovert, pala socialize. I'm introvert and I just go out of my comfort zone. And now I'm here in Mr. Grand Philippines, conquering guys, a new platform for me and a new chapter of my life. So I'm really thankful guys for everyone who supports me.
Invite mo sila to support you, Jaden.
Yan, hello everyone. Today is November 12 and tomorrow will be the grandest finale ng Mr. Grand Philippines Coronation Night 2024. And again, my name is Jaden Fernandez. Please do support me before po tayo magkaroon ng winner or ng title. Guys, if you want to watch us, then guys, kung personal, bili ka ng ticket sa Ticket Melon. Nandiyan na po yung link sa ating Mr. Grand Philippines page. And if you want guys to watch na rin through online, meron man tayo dyan guys mga live. And please do support your favorite candidates and of course me guys, Jaden Fernandez. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your support.
Thank you, Jaden, and congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.